this particular recipe. I'll tell you guys a story about that, so stick around and enjoy this one. Oh yeah. Alright, so we're gonna get this dish started. The first thing I'm gonna do is get my bacon put in the oven. It's preheated to 400 degrees. The bacon is gonna cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. It's gonna be absolutely delicious. Guys, I can't wait to show you this one. While the bacon is cooking, I'm gonna get some shallots diced up. I'm gonna be frying these shallots, so I just wanna get them into nice half moons, and I'm gonna fry those up real nice. Next, I'm gonna get some tomatoes, and I just wanna get nice slices on that. And we gotta have a little bit of avocado. So what I'm gonna do is get the peeling off the avocado, cut right down the middle, and then we're gonna make slices that we're gonna put into this dish. Okay, about that dream that I had. So my dad used to have dreams about recipes, and of course I thought he was full of it, but apparently not. So here we are. Now that I got my oil into a pot, I'm gonna get that up to temp and add the shallots, and I'm gonna season them up with just some salt and pepper, real easy, real quick, and cook them to your liking. I like mine a little bit done, but because I want them extra crispy. Next, we're gonna get to the star of this show, which are these sweet shrimp. Okay, and look at those, already peeled and deveined and cleaned. Okay, then I'm gonna go ahead and get some Cajun seasoning on there. I'm using a little bit of Tony's. Everybody likes that. We're gonna throw some Slap Your Mama on top of that, and we're also gonna throw some lemon pepper on it. And I'm telling you, this is one of those quick dishes. Of course, I love smoked paprika, so we're gonna throw a little bit of that on there, and then some garlic powder and some onion powder. Season this up real nicely, get them mixed up real well, and then we're gonna fry those bad boys right on the stove. And we're just gonna saute them. We just wanna get a nice color on them, and it's gonna make for easy work. The bacon is coming out of the oven, and I like my bacon extra crispy, so does my wife. So there you have it. Now we get to the shrimp. And like I said, get a little avocado oil in the pan, and you want to fry those bad boys up real nicely. Guys, take the time to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you leave a comment, and continue to follow the channel. We appreciate the support we're getting. I threw a little bit of butter in the pan, and then also some chili crisp, and that's gonna add a nice little spice to this. I mean, obviously we got the Cajun seasoning, but we gotta throw some more spice in there. There's nothing wrong with that. And that's gonna blend with the butter and almost make like a little light sauce. So, man, the shrimp are coming together beautifully. Squeeze some fresh lemon juice on top, and the shrimp are done. You don't need to cook them long. You just need to make sure that they're all cooked all the way through, and that season is permeating through the shrimp. Next, I'm gonna get some nice bread, put some butter on the bread, because I'm gonna be toasting it. If you guys haven't figured out by now, I am making a shrimp BLT, okay? Cajun shrimp BLT to be specific. And look at that nice toast on the bread. That's exactly what you want. Get some mayonnaise on that bread, and you want to spread that on real nicely, okay? Get you some good lettuce. You can use either bib lettuce or some romaine lettuce. Get your tomatoes on there. Make sure you season the tomatoes with salt and pepper. Then you got your shallots. Throw the bacon on there. Nice and crispy bacon. And then of course you're gonna place that avocado on there and finish off with the shrimp. And I'm telling you, man, this is so good. Again, guys, you gotta try to make this as quick, as simple. It's one of those dishes that you can make any time of the week. And man, I have no words. Just enjoy this one. This the one, y'all. This is the one. The spicy